Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to another educative tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to put down temporarily extended dreadlocks on natural hair without creating harm on your natural hair, guys, or without breaking it. Guys, remember I showed you on how to go about this. These are instant extended dreadlocks. We did them by instant way on the point of intersection. Guys, I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to go about it. Welcome guys. Guys, I've partly done my temporary extensions. Now I'm going to show you guys on how you can do it without breaking your natural hair, guys. And if you can recall, guys, our hair has got some length. It was a bit shorter than this, and I'm going to show you on how to go about it, guys. That's how our hair looks like before undoing. It has been well maintained, guys. We have been maintaining the hair quite well. You can have a look on the scalp surface. Now, point number 1, guys. Step number 1, we are going to cut off our extended locks to the length where we assume our natural hair starts. Guys, that way I'm gonna cut off. Remember the point of intersection, guys, we did by a method of instant crochet, whereby we usually pick a crochet hook which is 0.5 mm. This one, guys, if you can have a look. Then by a way of pushing the crochet hook to and fro, guys, making loops, thereby going ahead and completing the loops, hence causing tangling at that point of intersection. That's how, guys, now you come up with that instant way of doing the extended locks. Now, guys, I'm going to show you on how now we can put down these extended locks without interfering with the length of the artificial hair. Step number 1, we are going to cut off the lock strands to the length where we assume our natural hair starts, that way. So guys, I want to urge you not to skip the video. And if you are new here, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my work, guys, and share to your friends so that they can as well learn with us. So way to go about it, guys. Don't skip the video. I'm going to show you step number 2, which is very crucial on how to undo the extended locks without compromising the length of the natural hair, as well as taking care of your scalp and the texture of the hair, that is. We are done, guys. These are my temporary extensions, guys. Now I'm going to show you step number 2. And step number 2, guys, we are going to do a detox. Remember that detox will get rid of the lint in the hair. That is, guys, the build-ups. Lint is the build-ups that you find clogged in the hair strands. That way, guys, it will also help by stimulating the hair follicles, hence activating the hormonal activities, guys, thereafter letting hair growth to occur with easiness. That way, guys, I'm going to show you how to go about it. You just pour a small amount of detox on the scalp surface, your hair strands, that way, guys. Remember, by getting rid of the clogged lint in the hair strands, guys, you realize that the hair will come, the temporal extension will come out with some easiness, hence minimizing chances of breaking the hair strands. That way, guys, that's our detox. After applying our detox, guys, we will massage it that way. Remember, this helps as well exfoliate the scalp surface, that way getting rid of dandruffs as well as opening the pores for further treatments. Remember, this is essential, guys. It as well gets rid of acne on the scalp surface. Now, by doing so, guys, is kind of treatment. It will enable hair growth. After a few weeks, you'll realize that your hair has got a different texture as well as getting some length. It's an ideal treatment that you can do to your scalp as well as your hair after some time. That way, guys. Just leave it for some time, guys, to settle. Then you kick off the third step, which is now undoing the log strands, and I'm gonna show you how to go about it. Step number 3, you pick your 0.5 mm, which is pointed, guys. This time around, my 0.5 mm has got no hook at the end. It's pointed. That way now, guys, I'm gonna use this to undo the extension. The reason why I've placed some rubber bands here is to hand grip so that my crochet doesn't topple or slide while going on with the process. Now you just insert it, guys, at certain point from top, guys, moving backwards to the scalp surface. That way we have already broken the lint which was clogged in the hair. Remember that, guys, lint is usually caused by usage of either chemicals or products which are made of chemicals, which leaves behind deposits of impurities in your hair, thus clogging the hair. You can have a look, guys. That's our natural hair with no breakages at all, guys. You can have a look. No hair is coming out. It's only the extension which is coming out, guys. It's the best way to go about it, guys. It's very simple, guys. You just kick off by undoing the extension. You cut off the extension, guys, then using your pointed 0.5 mm, which has got no hook at the end. Begin combing backwards the lock strand towards the scalp surface. Now, considering that we had done some interlocks, guys, as our retwisting process, the hair now comes out with easiness. As we approach the scalp. But you'll find some difficulties at the point of intersection, guys, even though not much, because we hadn't done an instant way of grafting. So just need to be patient, guys, as you undergo this process. You can have a look, guys, and it's wow. Just like the way the hair comes out without breakages. Already pulled down the artificial extended locks. It's just this one which is remaining, just for the sake of our beginners, guys. I'm just going to walk you through the pulling down process. You just back comb. Just back comb the point of intersection, that way, guys, slowly. Now, when doing so, guys, you'll realize that the extended log strand is coming out with some easiness. Why? guys, it's because we had done a detox which now washed out the lint in the hair, that is the build-ups which had attached on the lock strand. That way guys, we have created an easiness of undoing the lock strand, hence improving our scalp service, since as I said there before when we were starting, it helps to stimulate the hair follicles on the scalp surface, as well as getting rid of the build-ups. That way guys, I'm done, and you can have a look now healthy our hair looks, having gotten some length. Thank you guys for watching. I hope my tutorial has been interactive, and kindly share my work to your friends. Keep on subscribing and stay locked for the next tutorials to come. Thank you guys.